Once upon a time, in the heart of the North Pole, nestled amidst glistening snow and starlit nights, there was a magical place known as Santa's Christmas Factory. This was the bustling hub of holiday cheer, where the real magic of Christmas unfolded. In this extraordinary factory, Santa's cheerful and hardworking elves toiled day and night, crafting toys, wrapping gifts, and ensuring that every child's Christmas wish came true. These elves were small in stature but mighty in spirit, their hearts filled with joy and dedication to spreading happiness. In the days leading up to Christmas, the factory was a whirlwind of activity. The elves, with rosy cheeks and pointed hats, worked in harmony to create toys of every shape and size. Some sculpted wooden soldiers, while others stitched dolls' dresses, and a few painted colorful toy cars. The entire factory was a symphony of holiday magic. The chief of the elves, a wise and kind-hearted figure named Twinkle, ensured that everything ran smoothly. Twinkle had a special ability to spread cheer and keep the elves motivated. With a hearty laugh and a twinkle in his eye, he inspired his fellow workers to bring their A-game to the factory. One chilly morning, as the elves were hard at work, a series of unexpected mishaps occurred. Toys tumbled from the assembly line, gift wrap unraveled, and the toy train track mysteriously switched to the wrong path. It seemed that a mischievous spirit was at play in the factory. The elves were puzzled by these unusual events, and Twinkle couldn't help but scratch his head in wonder. What could be causing all this chaos? They had never faced such disruptions in their many years of operation. Determined to solve the mystery, Twinkle gathered the elves together and organized a meeting. They brainstormed and shared their observations, but no one had any clues about the source of the disturbances. That night, Twinkle, unable to sleep, tiptoed into the factory to investigate further. As he moved through the dimly lit workshop, he noticed a soft, twinkling light emanating from the corner. He approached the source of the glow and discovered a tiny, mischievous creature with pointed ears and a mischievous grin. It was a Christmas pixie, a mischievous little being who had strayed from the enchanted forest to explore the factory. The pixie had never seen such a bustling place and, in its curiosity, had inadvertently caused the disruptions. Twinkle approached the pixie with kindness, understanding the creature's innocent intentions. He explained the importance of their work and invited the pixie to become a part of their Christmas family. The Christmas pixie agreed, and, with its tiny but nimble fingers, started to help the elves with their tasks. It sewed, painted, and wrapped gifts, contributing to the holiday magic in its own way. With the pixie's help, the factory regained its harmony, and the elves worked even more efficiently. Twinkle, the Christmas pixie, and the other elves worked tirelessly to ensure that Christmas was a success, and they did so with hearts filled with love and camaraderie. On Christmas Eve, when Santa's sleigh was ready to take flight, the factory's hard work was reflected in the mountain of gifts ready to be delivered to children around the world. The Christmas pixie, once a mischievous intruder, had become an integral part of the team, showcasing the true spirit of Christmas: love, kindness, and friendship. And so, dear children, this story of the elves in Santa's Christmas Factory reminds us that with love, understanding, and a dash of magic, even the most unexpected friendships can be born. Subscribe to our channel for more heartwarming Christmas adventures, and let the magic of the season fill your hearts with joy and wonder.